Hello students, I am going to teach standard 9 chemistry periodic table but part 2, that is Mendeleev's periodic table. In 1869, Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev discovered this periodic table. At that time there are 63 elements are discovered. Your noble elements are not discovered. So he discovered elements with similar properties were put one after the another in same vertical group. If there is a blank spaces, these blank spaces are accepted periodicity of the properties was disturbed. So these blank spaces can be filled up after discovery of the other elements. So he called this periodicity of properties of elements as Mendeleev's periodic table. So physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic functions of their atomic mass. So he discovered the periodic table by atomic mass, increasing order of atomic mass. See the table, page number 80, table 5.1. So there are 1 to 8 groups. But 1 to 7 groups, there are 2 subgroups A and B, but 8 has no groups or subgroups. There are 6 periods. So in these 6 periods and your 1 to 8 groups, these 63 elements are arranged. You see in this table 5.1, so 1 group, 2 group, 3 group in Roman, there is A and B, but in 8 there is no such groups. So these are the modern your Mendeleev's periodic table. What is the merits of Mendeleev's table? These are grouping the elements, gaps for undiscovered elements, prediction of properties of undiscovered elements. In that time, one discovered that Eka aluminum. So below aluminum there is a gallium, whose valence is also same, that is 3. Your atomic mass also similar, 68 aluminum, but gallium is 69.7. Density is similarity 5.9 and 5.91. So this is the same properties of gallium of aluminum, so it is known as Eka aluminum. Same as another is Eka silicon. Just below silicon there is germanium, valence is 4. Their density is 5.5 and 5.36, and mass is 72 and 72.6. So these are the discovery or merit. But one incorrect atomic mass which was corrected. He was able to correct the values of atomic mass of elements like gold and platinum by placing these elements strictly on the basis of similarity in their masses. Then what is the defects of Mendeleev's periodic table? First point is argon with atomic number 39. Atomic mass 39.9, but potassium is 39.1. That is precedes cobalt and atomic mass 58.9, precedes nickels with atomic mass 58.6. Another is tellurium with atomic mass 127.6, precedes iodine with atomic mass 126.9. These are the demerit. Another is position of isotope. Isotope means same atomic number but different mass number. So chemical properties are same. So these are not the such subgroups A and B or C, etc. So these are the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Another is grouping of chemically dissimilar elements, copper, silver, and alkali metals, lithium, sodium in one group, but copper, silver is not in a same group. Separation of chemically similar elements, electron arrangement, and another is the position of hydrogen. Hydrogen is placed in 1A or 7A, though hydrogen possesses positive charge in HCl but negative charge in sodium hydride. Then modern periodic law. In 1913, Henry Moseley, which was discovered the modern periodic law according to atomic number or magnitude of proton present in the nucleus or positive charge present in the nucleus. He was discovered when cathode rays struck anodes of different metals, the wavelength of the rays produced change. These wavelength of rays was found to decrease in another manner or changing the metal of the anode in order of their position in the periodic table. So he concluded that the number of positive charge present in the nucleus of an atom is the most fundamental property of an atom. So this is the atomic number. The number of unit positive charge present in the nucleus in the element is called the atomic number of that element. So Henry Moseley found that atomic number is a better fundamental property of elements compared to atomic mass. This led to the modern periodic law. So according to modern periodic law, physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic functions of their atomic numbers, not atomic mass. So explanation of anomalous properties by Mendeleev's classification of elements. Mendeleev proved that position of isotopes are not different groups, but in here position of isotopes, though hydrogen possesses isotope form, but it is in one group because their proton number of protons is same, so it is in one group. Position of anomalous pairs, that is argon and potassium, though argon mass 40 but potassium mass 39, but according to atomic number argon 18, potassium 19, so argon first, then potassium, like that cobalt and nickel. This is the modern periodic law. Thank you.